Same.
Oh my
Fuck.
god.
Who?
I think it's Conefish.
Conefish? Conefish?
Where? Wait, did I let him play?
Yeah.
Oh my
Griffin's
Oh,
Iron
wow.
Man.
I am too.
god.
I'm so Iron Man.
Whoa.
Is it no Infinity? Would Infinity technically be Iron Man? I'm asking the real questions here. Would Infinity still be technically Iron Man?
I
Because
never
he-
took damage. I have not taken damage yet.
Yeah.
I messaged Saya.
Yeah, Iron Man isn't right. Okay. Okay, so
I'm digging up by the way, because we're going to
Let's
5,
just
8, 7.
let's just meet up, honestly. Okay.
Hello.
Freak!
Oh, I need light. I'll be right back.
Freak just ran over me and made me get. The second I got the surface, I was blown up by a creeper because he was running by a creeper above me. What are the odds of that? You need to see my footage from that. That was. What? How does it happen? Wait. What codes again? 600, 700?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. I'm quite close. Where's Freak? Where'd he go?
You guys have books, by the way?
I have books.
Alright, I need you to give me some when you come back.
When I come back, okay, I'm back.
Books.
Here, take 3.
Thank you.
Okay, I need. Okay, how many?
Okay, wait, how many diamonds do we all have?
I have 3.
You have 3? Toss me them. I'm gonna make pieces for us. Do you guys have any?
I mean, Freak has 4
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Freak, make boots,
boots.
and then I'm gonna make helmet pants.
I mean, we could only.
Here, take those. I'll give the helmet. I'll give the helmet. I can get Proj 2 in the helmet. Pog. Proj 2 and
That's
breaking.
actually.
Yo.
I said we can get Prot on this book. I can't get Prot from that book. I don't. What's your?
I just got a sharpness, power, and efficiency book. What?
What's your
What?
pants,
Wow.
T-Free?
My pants. They're Proj 1.
Okay, never mind. I was just wondering if you want Prot. I didn't even. Let me see what I can make. Right now. I can get Power 1 book. That could be worth it. I can't get. I got. Oh, I can't get. I'm gonna enchant an apple.
2 more. Wait, do I have an apple?
I have.
Yo, guys,
two.
I just got a Poggers thing from an Enderman. You want to see what it is?
Is that pearl?
You'll see. You'll see.
Can someone give me some books real quick?
I used the books already.
Oh, rip.
Fuck it.
But,
Grass furnace.
oh,
Grass furnace.
What? How? You have silk touch.
No, I got it from an Enderman.
what?
Oh, I'm pogging.
no
I am
idea we could do.
pogging right
Oh,
now.
I get. Oh wait, I forgot. I can mine snowballs for a rod right now. And my Prot 2 leggings.
Ow! I took fall
Can you
damage.
burn?
Alright, I've sharp
Change
I have
what?
sharp 3 diamonds, so I should be able to take anyone in the cave fight.
Okay, change the guy question.
Well, actually, well, I should be able to take anyone in a cave fight unless
Does
they're
this help you out all? Right
unless
here?
they're a king. I should be able to take people in a cave fight.
Does that help you out all?
Let's go. Put it back down. Put it back down.
Here's some apples for anyone who needs it.
Where's the anvil? Where's the anvil?
It's right there. Can I wait? Can I be apples? Change. Toss me the apples. Change.
Let's go.
Here's some
Let's
gold.
fucking go. Change.
I just.
Sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Alright, I have 4 gaps. We should definitely go back caving.
Because right here, right? Oh no, it's TL. That's bad.
Because
Yeah.
we're here.
Okay. Oh.
Fall period.
Can I get a broken bow from a skeleton? Let's find out. I'm stream.
Kahooter died.
GG. Hooter died. Oh.
Hooter died to Alex. I think it's a team fight. Dylan's dead as well.
I got a bow, guys. Let's go.
Now it's just Bowfish and Ulti.
Great team.
Like, how did you feel, Kahooter?
Someone's running from me.
Oh, what? Cords?
Ooh.
Is anyone near here?
No.
No.
Cords?
I saw a person.
Cords?
I saw a
Cords?
person.
Okay, wait, you sent
Yeah.
cords.
Who it was?
There, I didn't see a hat. I didn't see them, but they were One Piece diamond.
Enchanted?
Oh, it was, no, it wasn't me.
No, with a chest plate.
I'm coming to surface.
But I'm not in a surface, so I'm in a cave. So.
I'm also underground.
I want to go check it out. See you guys next time.
Oh, it's